Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this vase right here. So first open up a new file and we're going to go to create form. So once you're there, you have to go to create and go to create cylinder and choose the plane between the green and red lines. Once you clicked, make sure the diameter is 75 millimeters. And the height, it might be different, but for my default it says 37.5. Change that to 100. And then the height faces, change that to 9. This should all be default, but if it's not, the direction is one side, symmetry there's none, and operation new body. Once that's good, you can press OK. Now, we're going to go down to the bottom and drag these edges in toward the origin. So we're going to click one edge, say edit form, then drag it in using this square in the middle. Do that for every single edge. I'll be back when I have all the edges done. So once you're done, it should form a shape like a circle, square, or something that doesn't look like weird. So once you're done with that, you can use the orbit tool to go back up. And then I want you to see this top layer. Go one down and just be aligned with either this red or green line. So not the top layer, but one below it. Highlight the next 3 and the ones next to it. So a total of 6. Right click and click edit form. And we're going to push it in by 10 millimeters. We're going to do that one more time. So not the top layer, but the one below it. Highlight 6 next to each other. Right click edit form. Then drag it in by 10. So we're going to do that for all 4 sides. And this is the last side. Also make sure you don't hit any of the lines or vertices right here. So once that's done, you should turn all the way around and it should look something like this. So now we finally have the vase shape. You can always go back if you missed something. Now, since we're done, we can click finish form. So now, if we were to 3D print this, it would not 3D print because it has no thickness. So we're going to go under create and choose thicken and click the inside, like the yellow, and then say 5 millimeters. Thickness 5, direction one side. If you want it to be symmetric, you can do 2.5 millimeters and that will be the same thing, but I'm doing one side and that will be 5. Then you can press OK. So now it looks like that. So now a vase usually has a solid bottom and we have a hole here. So we're going to click create sketch and choose this bottom plane. And we are going to trace using the split line, this outer circle. Or if you wanna, you can use the center diameter circle and do something like that. The thing about the center diameter server is you have to get a good starting middle point. Or you can trace it, so like this. So if that looks good, if it makes a complete circle or square or whatever your shape is down here, you can click finish sketch. And now we're going to go up to the top and extrude this by 5 millimeters. I'll probably do operation cut and change that to join. Once that's done, you can press OK. So now we have one more step. If this looks like uneven to you, you can press or pull. So it looks even. It might be a very small number. And it's better to zoom in to get the exact. Once that's good, it should be like near flat. And if you have to, if it's not on the plane, you can use move or copy and move this body up or down or wherever you need to move it. So that is it. And now we have finished making this vase. This is a very quick video. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell, because you never know when I can make a new one. So that is it, and in my next video, I'll be continuing the tutorial on how to make that Apple Magic keyboard. That is it, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.